Sian leh, Valentine Day stuck at home cannot go out with my wife. How leh?
Ha ha ha! Do not worry. Can pre-order this set for Valentine's Day.
Why got someone? Got ghost ah?
Gift this to her. She will sure love this lovely, natural, and luxurious skincare that will sure make her feel pampered.
Wow.
And while you're at it, let's get you spruced up for your special night.
Yeah.
First, you need to soothe your body by soaking your feet into this bath tea so that you are ready to get into the mood to be sexy. Cleanse your face and body so that it is very clean to the touch. Polish your body with this foaming, luxurious body polish so that your woman cannot get enough of ya. And for the final touch, spray on some seductive nectar all over your body so that your woman cannot resist you. Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Ooh. Wow.
Later I rub you.